according to section D, sum of the areas of the squares is 544 meters squared. The differences of their perimeter is 32 meters. Find the sides of the two squares. Let the areas of the two squares be x squared and y squared. Okay, so he says sum of the areas of the two squares is 544. So x squared plus y squared is equal to 544. Let that be the first equation. Next he says the difference in the perimeters is 32 meters. That means 4x minus 4y is equal to 32. Now dividing throughout by 4, I'll get it as x minus y is equal to 8. Let that be the second equation. Now we know x squared plus y squared is equal to x minus y the whole square plus 2xy. So let me substitute the value of x minus y and x squared plus y squared, that will give you 544 is equal to 8 squared, that is 64 plus 2xy, or from this you get 2xy is equal to 544 minus 64, that gives you 480, or therefore xy is equal to 240, or from this I get y is equal to 240 by x. Now substituting this in the first equation, I get x minus y is equal to 8. I am going to substitute the value of y as 240 by x. So that gives you x minus 240 by x is equal to 8, or this implies x squared minus 8x minus 240 is equal to 0. Now, applying the quadratic formula, it says x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b squared minus 4ac by 2a. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 8 and c is equal to minus 240. Let me substitute. I'll get it as minus of minus 8 plus or minus root over minus 8 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 240 divided by 2 into 1, or which is equal to 8 plus or minus root of 64 plus 960 divided by 2, which is equal to 8 plus or minus root of 1024 divided by 2. But root of 1024 we know is 32. So 8 plus or minus 32 by 2. Neglecting the negative value, let us take only the positive value. We get x is equal to 8 plus 32, which is 40 by 2, which is equal to 20. So one of the side the square is 20, therefore y is equal to 20 minus 8, which is equal to 12. 20 minus 8, which is equal. So the side of one of the square, for the first square is 20 centimeters and the other one is 12 centimeters. Now let us go to the odd sum. A motorboat whose speed is 18 kilometers per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 kilometers upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. Now let us take the speed of the boat to be 18 kilometers per hour. So speed of the boat is equal to, it is given as 18 kilometers per hour. Let the speed of the stream be x kilometers per hour. Now to go upstream, it is going to be, the speed of the boat is now going to be 18 minus x kilometers per hour. And to go downstream, it is now going to be 18 plus x kilometers per hour. Therefore, the total distance is 24. So it takes the difference between going upstream and the downstream is the time difference in time taken is 1 hour. That means 24 by 18 minus x minus 24 by 18 plus x is equal to 1. On simplifying, we get it as, I can write it as 18 squared is 324. 324 minus x squared. I'll take 24 outside and I'll get it as 18 plus x minus 18 plus x is equal to 1. 18 and 18 gets cancelled. So 24 times 2x is 48x divided by 324 minus x squared is equal to 1, or the equation becomes 48x is equal to 324 minus x squared, or x squared plus 48x minus 324 is equal to 0. On factorizing this equation, you get it as x squared plus 54x minus 6x minus 324 is equal to 0. Or let me take x as the common factor for the first term. I'll get it as x plus 54 minus 6 x plus 54 is equal to 0, or it's going to be x minus 6 times x plus 54 is equal to 0. Now, neglecting the negative term, we can now take it as x minus 6 is equal to 0, or this implies x is equal to 6. Hence, the speed of the stream is now going to be x is equal to 6